Hello, this is me again. Here I have Icelandic water. So long, you other people who don't have this great fresh water. And I am going to do another trick. It's called the water foss. Yes. It's practically, I have this glass and I put water in my mouth and I put the glass over here and I do a water foss over right here. So should we give it a try? Yes, I think so. Alright, it spilled a little over everywhere, so this magic trick failed very much. But happy birthday, Annie Manny! Thank you.